The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. The greater the difficulty, the more the glory in surmounting it. The excess of virtue is a vice. Education is an ornament in prosperity and a refuge in the adversity. Wit is educated insolence. It is difficult to argue with belly as it has no ears. Well begun is half done. You cannot hide behind your finger. Too many opinions sing the boat. The camel cannot see her own hump. Only the dead have seen the hand of the war. Wait for the wisest of our counselors' time. Let food be the medicine and medicine be the food. Win by persuasion, not by force. Wisdom outweighs any wealth. Life is short, the heart long. A drop of wisdom is better than a sea of gold. The heart of living well and the heart of dying well are one. Tongue has no bones, but bones it crushes. All receive advice, only wise profit from it. A touch of love, everyone become a poet. Wine and children speak the truth. The donkey called the roaster big-headed. Success is dependent on effort